Stop focusing on your goals for 2026. It's the biggest mistake you will make ever. New Year, it's January 1st, 2026. Most people today are writing down their huge goals. They want to change everything overnight, but science shows that massive changes actually trigger our brain's fear response. That's why resolutions fails. I want to show you that why getting just 1% better is more important than any resolution you will make ever. Let's look at the math of atomic habits. It's clear introduces a simple idea, 1% rule. If you can get 1% better every single day for 1 year, you will end up 37 times better by next December. But here's the problem. Today, if you go to the gym for 1 hour today, you will end up looking your body looks exactly the same. So we think that it's not working and so we quit. James Clear calls this plot of latent potential. Isn't tested, it's being stored. Like an ice cube in a room warming up at 31 degrees, nothing happens. At 32 degrees, it melts. That 1% made the difference. The most important takeaway of chapter 1 is this. We don't rise to the level of our goals, we fall to the level of our systems. If you are a coach, your goal is to win championship. Your system is how you recruit your players. Obsessing over your finish line, start obsessing over your daily repetitions. These are the systems that make winning inevitable. In 2026, don't worry about where are you now. Worry about your trajectory. Are you 1% better today than you were yesterday? If the answer is yes, then you have already won. You just have to wait for the math to catch up. Pause chapter 1. The power of compounding. In chapter 2, we are going to talk about why most people fail because they try to change their results instead of change their identity. If you want to see that breakdown, subscribe and join the journey. I will see you in the next one.